Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys and how I soak my fruits for my Jamaican fruit cake, rum cake, black cake, whatever you wanna call it, is the same cake, yeah? So in my bowl, guys, I've got at least just over 4 cups of raisin. Yes. You can always use prunes, but I never used prunes before. I normally use raisin, yeah. And I also have half cup of cherry. And this is the type of cherry that I'm using, guys. This is how it look. Yes. So now I'm gonna take my raisin and I'm gonna add it to my container right here. And guys, some people stew their fruits. I'm gonna make a video on how I stew it. Maybe not now, but yes, one day. So now I'm gonna add my cherry. And this is my Jamaican rum. But guys, you can always not add in it. It is totally optional. But trust me, it's gonna make your cake be so delicious and taste real good. You don't have to add a lot, just a small amount. Yes. So now I'm just gonna add it first. And I'm gonna add just over a quarter cup, guys. Red label wine. Now I'm adding my red label wine now. So guys, I only leave back a small amount of my red label wine. So I would say I'll use at least over 4 cups. Yes. So you just wanna mix it all in. I'm telling you guys, this smells so good. Look at that, it smells amazing. That rum, So I'm just gonna cover it with a lid. And guys, you can always allow it to soak. Some people make it soak even for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 6 months, 1 month, 1 week. Honestly, it all depends. But the longer you leave it is the best it tastes, yes. But if you don't have the time and you just want to do a quick thing, you can even, blend it up same way like so. Like this, and it still gonna taste good. So I'm just gonna cover it. Make sure that it is nicely sealed, okay? So now I'm gonna come up with my cake. So guys, stay tuned. check my channel out if you want to see and how I make my fruit cake. Guys, please give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends, to your families, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.